Game na ba?
Sige.
Good day to my future employers. My name is Rubeline, 35 years of age from the Philippines. I'm married with one kid, age 13 years old. I am a 2-year college graduate of Business Information Management. I have a working experience as a house helper for 2 years here in the Philippines, where I served a family of 3. My duties and responsibilities are household work, including cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing the laundry, and marketing. I am a pet lover. I have one dog. I am also very good at playing and teaching children since I have an experience working as an online English instructor for a year where I was teaching basic English to Koreans and Chinese students, to adults and children. I teach them how to write, how to read, and practice their speaking. To my future employers, if you hire me, I promise that I will do my job with integrity and credibility. I am looking forward to see you soon.